Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mask two videos together in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Drag both videos into the timeline. Stack one video on top of the other by placing one on the main track and the other as an overlay. Go to Mask option, then choose a mask shape. Adjust the size, position, and feathering to control how the videos blend. Feathering smooths the edge between the two clips. You can animate the mask for dynamic transitions. Use keyframes on opacity to fade in and fade out. Start with 0% opacity, move the playhead, then set to 100% to create a smooth appearance. If the blend looks flat, duplicate the clip and try different blend modes. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.